Hello campers, Miss Pierre here, and welcome to another day of learning at camp. Today, in celebration of Superhero Week, I have my helper, Mr. Buzz Lightyear of Star Command, and guess what movie he is from? If you said Toy Story, you are correct, and don't forget Toy Story 2 and 3. So today we're going to be covering a standard. Now, first of all, if you are in grades K, 1, and 2, you are in the correct place because this standard is for you. RL 1.1 asks and answer questions about key details in a text. Now later on we're going to talk about what is key details and what is a text. Okay? Now when we read, keep in mind these question words. Who, when, why, what, where, and how. And we ask questions to help us understand what we read. And we use the text to find our answers. Now, as promised, let's go over what key details and text mean. That's our vocabulary words for the day. Okay, key details are important information within the text. Okay, text is anything with words. For example, a book, a textbook, a chart. Okay, so anything with words. Now, questions we can ask while we're reading. What is the story mostly about? Is it about animals? Is it about a farm? Is it about people, or is it about a school? The next question, who are the characters? Okay, what are their names and what are their traits? Question number 3, what is the setting? Where does the story take place? And question number 4, who is telling the story? Okay, whose point of view is the story written in? Is it in the point of view of the author or the character? Okay, now, asking and answering. What are some reasons to ask questions? I'm going to move my chart over here so we can better see it. Okay, we ask questions if you are curious about something. What is it to be curious? Okay, curious is wanting to know more about something. Number 2, if you want to predict what will happen. What is predict? Predict is kind of trying to tell the future. Okay, thinking about what's going to happen next based on the clues that you already know. Number 3, if you want to make something more clear. Okay, the goal is to be able to retell the story to our family and to our friends in our own words. Now, today I'm going to read you a short story. It's an excerpt from Hansel and Gretel. And so, Hansel and Gretel and the mother went into the dark, thick woods. It was a stormy night and the sky was gray. The trees were scared. And we have Hansel here, Gretel here, and their mother. Okay, now we're gonna ask some questions about this story. And when we have a story that includes pictures, we always wanna ask questions about the pictures as well. Okay, so I'm gonna use my cards. I'm gonna pull one. I don't know which word I'm gonna pull, but I'm gonna ask my question based on that word. Why? What's a why question we can ask about this short story and picture? Let's think for a little bit. Why are they going into the woods? And as we read, readers, we're going to get our answers. What? What is Gretel staring at in the sky? Where? Where will they sleep tonight? How? How will they ever get home? Who will help this family out of the forest? When will they be able to be in their own home? Those are my questions. Now, readers, before we meet, I want you to think about when, who, how, what, why, where, in relation to this story. Okay? Now, before we go, let's ask some questions about Mr. Buzz. I'm gonna put my cards back up here. Okay. I'm looking at Mr. Buzz, so when I pull my card, my question will be ready. Why are Mr. Buzz's shoulders so big? How will he fly in the sky? What will he do today? Will he save some lives? Who is his best friend? I think we all know the answer to that one. When will he save another life? And where will he sleep tonight? Okay, so that is my lesson for today, campers. Remember to always believe in yourself and be safe out there, and I'll see you in Zoom.